Greetings everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. You are watching the MeekFro channel. Today we have a try-on haul. If you're interested, stay tuned.
Struttin' on sunshine. Struttin' on sunshine.
Okay, so the very first piece we are looking at is a graffiti print shell dress. This is absolutely cute. I was drawn by the colors. Kind of a grunge look with a touch of spunk. That's how I word it. The dress basically says good girls do bad things sometimes. As you can see, sometimes it's over in the corner with some lips at the bottom. Y'all, this is so cute. It is airy and the material is very light. It's $9 US size. I got it in a medium, I believe. The next piece is a trumpet sleeve lace insert kimono. The reason it looks big is because it is a one size fit all. Very light material. Also, I have been wearing this piece to death. Do you hear me? It's one of my favorite kimonos. It does go down to the floor on me. I am 5'3", so keep that in mind. I definitely feel like this could be a piece that you can go out with or just kind of dress it up and make it look more reserved and conservative. My absolute favorite part about this kimono is the sleeves and this little lace that goes all the way around. Cute. This piece is $22. Next, we are talking about this floral print tassel top with a high waist bikini. Absolutely loved this. I had to have it. It is listed for $15 on the website. I got it in a size medium. I love how it ties in the back. And also, if you would like to remove the straps on the top, you can. Next, we have this layered ruffle off the shoulder sheer mesh kimono. I basically use it as a swimsuit cover up. It is listed for $10 on the website. I got it in a size medium. Very airy, light kimono, you guys. That is no exaggeration. Very airy. I love this piece. I actually wore this for a photo shoot. It does drag the ground on me, but I still love it. It is definitely a conversation starter. The next piece we have for $18 is a striped blazer with shorts. This set comes together. It does come in a couple colors. I got it in a size small, shockingly. You do have to read the reviews with this website to see, how the sizes work. So that is exactly what I did. So this actually fits pretty good. I'm really a medium at the bottom and stuff, but I went and got a small, and the small fits perfectly. So next we have the plaid blazer with the self-tie waist shorts. I got this in a size medium. Guys, a lot of these pieces were on sale when I bought them, but I am giving you guys the exact listed price that it is right now. So do check out the website to find out what the accurate price is, because they may change. This is for $18 now. This cute little set can be dressed up or dressed down. I feel like you could go out with this, or you could also throw on some Vans or something and dress it down, if that makes sense. Very cute, light, airy set. Gotta love this. The next piece we have here is a romper. I did get the romper in a size small. It says super on the front, and I actually got the romper for $7.20, but right now it is listed for $8. I do not have a bra on with this piece. I feel like you should wear like a strapless bra of some kind, so to make sure that this does not fall off. Next, I got some rhinestone decor toe post wedge sandals from the website. I got it in a size European 38 because I am a size 7 in US women. Some of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. Next, we're going to show some sunglasses we got from the website. The first pair is some metal frame round lens sunglasses. They come in a couple of colors. I got the lighter color. Absolutely love this. This gives me like that hippie vibe. I always go for round sunglasses. They are cute. They were on sale for $3.60. Now they are $5. Now for the Flatlands sunglasses. These are absolutely adorable. They are some white sunglasses basically, listed for $5, but I believe I got these for, let's see how much I got them for, $2.70. Crazy. I really can't remember if, like, did I catch some type of sale on this website or what, because the prices have gone up. Now the last pair are my favorite. These are some cat eye Flatlands sunglasses. They are yellow. That's the color I actually chose, but they do come in several other colors, which I would not mind having. I could not find these sunglasses anywhere around my house, you guys, so I had to show you guys an old video, oh my gosh, of me wearing them. But this is the very last piece of the haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me, please. See you in the next one. Bye.